Hello and welcome to Khane Mein Kya Hai. I am Debolina and today in this video episode I bring to you a quick and easy breakfast recipe. Today we will learn to make Indian pancakes or Gola Roti made with just a few easily available ingredients. Before moving on to the recipe, I'll just take a few seconds here. Now if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the red subscribe button just below the video and do not forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to receive notifications about any future videos from the channel. Ta-da! Let's move on to the recipe steps. Here is a quick look at the ingredients that I have used to make Indian pancakes or Gola Roti. You may also find the list of ingredients in the description box below the video. Gola Roti can be made with maida alone. However, for my recipe, I am using a mix of maida and atta to make it healthier. Add a little bit of salt to taste and mix it all together with the flour. Now I prefer to add a little bit of sugar to balance the salty taste. However, it's optional. Now it's time to add water to the mix. Keep adding water in smaller quantities and keep mixing till you reach the desired consistency. Make sure there are no lumps. When the flour mix has blended well into the water without any lumps, add the rest of the ingredients into this mix. For Gola Roti, you may add any vegetables of your choice which are easily cooked. After mixing all the ingredients together, you can now see that our batter is of the correct consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin. To make Gola Roti, add a little bit of oil into the tawa. I have used a brush here to spread it out evenly. As the oil gets hot, take a generous amount of the batter and add it into the hot tawa. Quickly spread out the batter. Add a little bit more of the batter if needed and quickly spread it out from the sides while keeping the flame on medium heat. In about a minute, there is a visible change in color from the sides. As the Gola Roti starts to come off the tawa, we will carefully flip it over. Allow it to cook for some more time while lightly pressing and flipping the sides in between till both the sides are lightly browned and the vegetables get cooked. As both the sides have turned brown, we will remove it from flame and make the rest of the Gola Rotis in a similar way. As we have completed making rest of the Gola Rotis, they are ready to serve. You can serve Gola Roti with curd, tomato ketchup, green chutney or any other sauces of your choice. If you like this video, then please do share it and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about any future videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.